we are in conversation with Mr. Padmanava Shaktivelu. He is a general manager of Electrolube India. So, welcome, sir.
Welcome. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Can you introduce your product here, which you have recently launched in India?
Yeah, we being one of the pioneer electronic chemical suppliers, we recently launched 2K based conformal coating, which is one of the first in the industry. And we are also launching new thermal grease with very less oil bleed, and it's a partially curable as well. So we are hoping to find lots of opportunities in power electronic segments for this.
So, what is the importance of this product?
This was developed in conjunction with the new requirements from customers, where they didn't want any oil bleeding at all. So that is where our new thermal management materials have played very good role. And this 2K based coating is mainly launched for automotive segment. And BMW being a pioneer, they have approved our coating, 2K based coating. It's first of its kind in the industry, which I can proudly say. It's a two-part based resin, which is sprayable. So it's a conformal coating 2K based system.
Can you elaborate 2K base further?
This is actually instead of regular conformal coating, wherein you cannot control the thickness. Here we are able to offer even up to 200 micron thickness based on customer requirement. Again, this is curable in terms of very comparable with the resin kind of quality.
Okay.
So that's where it's quite different from the regular product range.
So, how big is the market for this product, this new product?
Yeah, you name it automotive electronics. I think this is the first customer segment which will open up. Second would be power electronic segments, where they are going through very harsh environments, say wind turbines, solar panels, where you have almost like a sandblast experience on the PCBs. This is the product to protect the PCBs from them.
In case we ask you the volume of market volume of this product, so how big is the market volume?
Just to give you an example, only for India, we are estimating it to be more than 2 tons a month. So you can imagine global requirement. So this is the overall projection that we had. Based on that, this product is being developed.
And what is the future of the product? Because we are talking about the manufacturing in India and all such things. So maybe 1 or 2 years down the line, what would be the magnitude of the application of this product?
For sure, it is going to grow at least 2 or 3 folds, because currently we are in an era where we are educating customer, and customers are actually looking for a right product which can increase their product life cycle. So I think it is a way to go. It is going to grow a lot.
Yeah. What else you have launched recently, or any new thing which you have come up with in the industry?
Yeah. These are the main 2 product broadly we can proudly say, and then we have sub segments which are lesser temperature range and better flexible product range. And we are also launching a new range wherein polyurethane coatings are also being launched for chemical protection and other stuff. Yeah.
So we have heard that you have already established a new factory here in India, that too in Bangalore. So can you highlight on that, please?
Yeah. Initially, our plan is to have a warehouse, scale up the warehouse, and support Indian continent. But we found that the kind of volumes which are growing, it made sense for us to go for manufacturing as well. So we started up this activity, and then we are through with this, and probably in next few months I think we'll be shipping out first shipment. Yeah, so it's based out of Bangalore.
So how much time will you take to for the first shipment?
Probably we are estimating it to be 2 months. So rest, I think most probably we should be able to do it in 2 months.
And what would be the production capacity of this unit?
We are investing on all the complete range. Probably 3 to 4 tons per week is the loading capacity on different product ranges. We will not go in detail, but yes, the 3 to 4 tons is the capacity that we are estimating it to be. With more than 20,000 square feet only for the warehousing, and the rest for the manufacturing.
And what is the importance of your Electrolube setting up the unit here in India?
So after this new government's Make in India policy, it's been very positive, most of the customers. So we found the market, the way it was growing, it made sense to invest in terms of manufacturing to support Make in India policy. In many of the projects, in any tender, LED tenders, the product have to be from India. So probably this will give us the edge over others, wherein we can support from India itself.
So what other benefit it will give to you?
Probably it's more of a customs duty and the transportation. The best part is the lead time will be reduced from 12 weeks to probably 2 weeks. So I think that's the first criteria, I would say, lead time. And then follows the price and cost of overheads and other stuff. Yeah.
When we talk about the most of the solutions will be manufactured here in India and Bangalore unit. So are we actually talking about the manufacturing of these solutions in India, or it is just a packaging of it?
No, it is manufacturing, overall, total packaging, total manufacturing. Yeah.
And the raw material is available means locally, or it is imported?
Some of them are imported. We have to maintain the same quality across the globe, and there are lots of raw materials which we qualified and were supplying from India to overseas. So yeah, so we'll be localizing most of them.
So do you see that you, in due course of time, you will increase the capacity of your unit, the same unit, in future?
Yeah, this factory we have taken with long-term vision, so it has enough area or enough resources to scale up to at least 4 times now, 4 times our existing business. So probably after 10 years we can further scale up. That's the plan.
So, means you are face to face with the ELE Times audience, which is a global audience, and they are watching you, right? So, do you want to tell them something about your product in the company further?
Yeah, I would say that it's a niche segment, niche product. It's like you have a problem, we are there to solve. So any electronic solutions where you want product to be reliable, long-term product, so we are there to assist. Yeah, we are solution people. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for the information.
Thanks a lot. Nice meeting you. Thank you.
So we were talking with Mr. Padmanabha Shaktivelu, and the highlight is that they have Electrolube have launched a new product, which is a 2K based thermal coating, and also they have introduced a new factory here in Bangalore in India, which is a quite significant step in manufacturing in India. Thank you. I am Devendra Kumar from ELE Times TV.